It's now time for your Builders of the Faith news. Attention men of Builders of the Faith. You don't want to miss out as Pastor Brown and our men will be traveling to Palm Bay, Florida to fellowship with Bishop Merton Clark and the Truth Revealed Ministries in their annual men's conference entitled The Sixth Man. The conference is Friday, January the 11th and Saturday, January the 12th. Pastor Brown wants all men to attend, so please make sure to stop by the events table today to sign up and to receive more information. Listen up, parents in youth ministry. The next Hanging with Pastor will be Friday, January 25th. Parents, please make sure your teens are here at 6:30 p.m. for a very special time with Pastor Brown and the youth ministry workers. If you have any further questions, please contact Elder Eric. Saints, Pastor Brown will be hosting a minister's class on Wednesday, January 16th at 7 p.m. This class is for those who are currently ministering here at Builders of the Faith, but it's also open to those who feel that God has called them to minister the gospel of Jesus Christ. For more information, please see Sister Jackie. Builders of the Faith Compassionate Ministries is back. Food distribution is held every second and fourth Tuesday from 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. right here in the sanctuary. Donations are always needed. You may drop off your donations before every service or Monday through Friday from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. at the Compassionate Ministry Donation Center in the front lobby. And remember, if you or any member of Builders of the Faith are ill, hospitalized, we have a team that is ready to help, visit, and service those needs. For more information in regards to the Compassionate Ministries Hospital Sick Visitation Ministry, please call 904-755-4609. If you desire to assist with Compassionate Ministries, we're always looking for those who have a heart to serve. The next Sisters Fellowship is scheduled for Saturday, January 26th from 1 to 3 p.m. right here in the Builders of the Faith Sanctuary. Sisters Fellowship, that is Saved Inspirational Sisters Transformed and Holy, is a Builders of the Faith women's ministry that is designed to motivate, encourage, and strengthen the women of Builders of the Faith in fellowship and in love. For more information about Sisters Fellowship, please see Minister Tanya Houston or Sister Sharita Jacobs. Saints, if you desire to become a member of Builders of the Faith Christian Center, please make plans to meet Pastor and Lady Brown for new members orientation. That's Monday, February the 4th at 6:30 p.m. right here in the sanctuary. Please make sure you stop by the events headquarters table in the lobby to reserve your space. We look forward to seeing you there. On behalf of all of us, welcome to Builders of the Faith Christian Center. Save the dates. On February 18th, Pastor and Lady Brown will be celebrating their 18th wedding anniversary. And on Sunday, February 24th, we will be celebrating the 11th year anniversary of Builders of the Faith Christian Center. Make sure you save these dates. There's more information to come, so make sure you stay tuned to the Builders of the Faith news and media updates. Builders of the Faith, remember, online giving is available for your convenience. Just visit www.buildersofthefaith.com and click on the Give option. So if you happen to be on vacation or at work, you never have to worry about missing the opportunity to sow into the kingdom again. Every contribution that you make to Builders of the Faith is used to fulfill the mission of spreading the gospel, serving the Westside community, and reaching the lost while directing them to the love of Jesus Christ. Members, please make sure to stop by the events headquarters to opt in for our mass text and video messaging, as well as for our mass emailing. Those tools have been created to keep you informed of ministry events, updates, and even changes as they occur. And don't forget to visit our website at www.buildersofthefaith.com. If you need your 2012 record of giving for tax preparation, please make sure you submit your name at the events headquarters table for the finance office. Please note, any requests received on Sunday will be processed and ready the following Tuesday, and requests received on Tuesday will be processed and ready the following Sunday. Please, no phone calls to the office, as this process has been put in place for your convenience. Saints, Builders of the Faith Christian Center is partnering with several of the local homeless shelters to help keep Jacksonville's homeless community warm during the winter. Beginning January the 6th through Sunday, February the 3rd, we will be collecting blankets. We're asking for donations of new blankets. Unfortunately, comforters will not be accepted, simply because they are very difficult to carry around. Blankets can be purchased at stores like Walmart, Kmart, and Target. And by all means, please feel free to purchase as many as you can. The more, the better. Blankets can be dropped off in the large gray bin by the events headquarters table in the lobby. And that's it for your Builders of the Faith news. Now back to you, Pastor Brown.